Hello and welcome, tech enthusiast here, and today we will go through major changes in Windows 11 Insider's Build version 22071. And with that being said, let's take a look. Microsoft recently pushed brand new build version 22071, and here are some major changes and improvements. So they are introducing a new entertainment widget, and this entertainment widget allows us to see new and featured movie titles available in the Microsoft Store. Selecting a movie will direct you to the Microsoft Store to see more information about the title, and just open widgets and click or tap on add the widgets button and choose the entertainment widget. And I can't guys show you right now this because I'm not in any of these countries. So for that, I will just show you this picture. So this is the brand new entertainment widget from Windows 11 Insider's Build version 22071. But what I can show you is the brand new context menu on the right click menu with acrylic material. So let me show you this. I'm currently on the dark theme and let me right click on the desktop. As you can see, there is brand new acrylic design on this right click menu. Let me show you this on File Explorer as well. So here, local disk C, I will right click, and as you can see, here is also more acrylic and transparent. Now let me go to the this text, and they are also testing some brand new folder creation methods. So in this case, they are creating split button as seen on Windows Insider blog. They are testing a split button, and with this allows us to create a brand new folder. For example, if we click this one brand new button right here, we can create a brand new folder on Windows 11. So if I click down here, we can also add new item, for example, text document. We can also do that. So let me go here, and also the taskbar previews are into the brand new visual design of Windows 11, so rounded design as seen on this preview. Let me show you this as well. So for example, right here we have brand new preview of this window or this application. Let's say on the Brave browser right here, we have curved edges and brand new design on the Spotify as well, curved, and on the OBS as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this brief summary of the major changes of Windows 11 Insider's Build 22071. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.